sometimes, and it messes with my mind. I get my whole but I got it, y'all, and I'm gonna, but it ain't welcome here no more. Get through what I'm telling you. I'm gonna make climb and climb. It may look like I fell behind, but tell you it may, you know I'm telling.
Express what you wanna say right now. Express what means no, no. We will be dealing with no false interpretation, no, no. Directly from me to you right now. Express what you naked truth. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Have to put on their cloaks and their armor. Aspirations swept aside.